The import link and other downloads, such as for Streamer.Bot, if you don't already own it, will be in the description below. Well, hello, I'm DrecuOrmer. Have you got too many models? Tired of making separate commands to give credit on each of them? Or maybe you've got a fun little blurb you want to have sent to chat, depending on what model you have loaded. Well, with good old Streamer.Bot 2.0, now with VTube Studio integration, we can bundle all of those problems up into one simple solution. What this will do is it will check your currently loaded model, and then it'll spit out a little message. Easy. All you gotta do is import it, activate it, do a couple tweaks, write the little messages, and you're good to go. Let me show you. So, first thing we're gonna do is we are going to import it into Streamer.Bot. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. It is a giant blurb of text, and what that will give you is the VTS model credit. It will create an exclamation point command, which, when used in chat, will trigger the command to be run. Now, I already have this command, so I'm not going to overwrite my stuff. I'm going to go ahead and close back out. Second, you need to open this set argument root file path, and you need to set it to wherever your credit text file is going to be. By default, it is going to be looking at the default installation location of your VTube Studio. But if you have VTube Studio installed elsewhere, or you want to put your text file elsewhere, simply go into it and copy and paste the full path to the folder, not to the text file. Do you not know where VTube Studio is installed? Don't worry, I got you. Simply open up Steam, and then click on the gear, Manage, Browse Local Files. That should open you up directly to that VTube Studio root directory. Easy. This is important because there are 3 different ways to have messages. By default, and my recommended one, is a single text file at a root directory that has all of your messages. Another way is you can make a separate text file for each of your models and store that in the model folder of VTube Studio. And the third way is actually inputting it in the code itself. I don't know why you would want to do that over the others. Maybe you got some exotic things, and this is a boilerplate for you to simply step off into even crazier stuff. Next, you'll need to fill out the text file. So, from VTube Studio, go ahead and create a Credit.txt. Make sure it's not named Credit.txt.txt. That will not work. Within that text file, for the default solution of everything in a single text file, you'll need to make one per row the model name and then the message you want posted. Let me expand this notepad so you can see that this is 1 line per entry. A very important thing to note is that the model names are case sensitive. Capital S snake is different from lowercase s snake. Don't know what the model name you should put in there? Ah, that's too easy. If you navigate into your models folder, and then the model folder itself, look for the .mach3 file, and then the file name. That will be the exact thing you need to put for the model. And again, it is model, comma, message you want posted. If you want to put the second method of a credit in each individual model, simply create the Credit.txt within that models folder. and put just the message. That's all you gotta do. If you want to do it in the code for some reason, simply open up the execute code, scroll down to this case 3 section. And for every model you want to add in, simply copy and paste this, put in your model name here, and then between the quotation marks, fill out the message you want. Hit compile, save, and close on out. Just that easy. Now, once you have accomplished that, you'll need to go over to your Commands tab, go to the Credit, and make any modifications you want. By default, it's set to go off of !model, !credit, or !avatar. It has a default of 3 minutes as a global cooldown. For testing purposes, I'm going to bring this down to 0, since I will show this off. Once you have modified this to your satisfaction, and you have created the text file, and have set the proper file path, it is time to enable the command. Now, with the command enabled, let's see how it looks. As this current model, Snake. There we go. But hey, maybe I pre-programmed that. You saw how I put for the Akari model. Let's see how that looks. Oh, oh, this form is so weird. Oh, I've got legs. I've got arms. Very strange existence. I don't know how you people deal with it. Just like that. Easy as. Now, it's gonna take me a minute to figure out how to transform back to my normal self. Oh, alright. Oh, that felt so weird. Anyway, I hope you find this useful, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.